Okay, so for the first part of this problem, we need to determine whether or not we can even use a hypothesis test on this. So let's do this. N is obviously 893 because that's the total number. So we're going to do 893 times the percent of people that they know. Suppose that it's known at 1.8, so that would be 1.8. So 0.018 times 1 minus 1. Darn it. 893. 0.018, so 0.018. 1 minus 0.018. And we get 15.8. So we're going to put 15.8. That's the first step. Oops. And that's obviously greater than 10. And this sample is less than 5% of the population size, and therefore can be reasonably assumed to be random, and the requirements for the testing the hypothesis are satisfied. So we can check that, and we're good. Okay, next. What are the null and alternative hypotheses? We are looking at a proportion because we've got 21 out of 83. This would be equals. And the proportion I'm assuming they're using is the 21 out of 893. So 21, 893 is 0.02. Oh. I guess we're testing it against the 1.8%. So maybe it's 1.8, but the only thing is I don't know, do they like that or not? 1.8. And then obviously this is proportion. Is there sufficient evidence to conclude that more than, so more than, greater than 1.8? Uh-oh. Why do they not like that? Maybe we're using the sample, but that doesn't seem right. You use the sample to actually test it. So, oh, they entered it as a decimal. Okay, that's what the problem is. So 0.018, 0.018. That's better. The z-statistics, so we're going to go to the calculator now. This is a mean. This is a one prop. Stat, one proportion, z-test. Did they give us a sample? Hold on. It's a prop, I can tell you that much. So let's try one prop z-test. Yeah, I think this is good. So we're going to put 0.018. We're going to put x, which is how many? 21. 893 greater than, calculate, and the z-value is 1.24. So we put 1.2 and we check it and we're good. P-value is the button number under it, 0.107, 0.108 if we round up. Now it says, look, compare this to the significance level. This is 5%, this is 10%. So the p-value is greater than alpha. Do not reject the null, and there is not sufficient evidence to conclude that 1.8% of users experience flu-like symptoms. And that is how you go about doing these problems. Remember, the first part is to check. It's to check and make sure that you can actually apply these principles, because if it's greater than that percent, then you can't apply them. So I hope this helps. Make sure you keep practicing. Thank you guys for watching.